The following program was produced by the United States Courts.
You have people's lives in your hands. I administer the case from the beginning to the end, and I make sure that the attorneys follow the code and the rules. My name's Tori Grant, and I'm a docket specialist.
We basically take care of the day-to-day activity of the whole docket for an accurate account of what goes on with the court and how it reflects your pleadings and your filings.
I take in new cases for people who are filing bankruptcy. We assist the pro se debtors as well as assisting the attorneys who file cases, Chapter 7s, 13s, and 11s.
I handle Guantanamo Bay matters as well as attorney discipline cases.
It's critical. Without me and the team of case management specialists that I supervise, the court wouldn't run.
Just meet with the magistrate judge up there?
Yeah, I'd like to meet with the judge.
I am responsible for providing quality control for the overall operation of the clerk's office. When the case processors docket electronically, I make sure that the entries are actually correct.
I assist the attorneys if they have any questions about filing their documents electronically.
Training attorneys in the use of our electronic case filing system. I am also responsible for making modifications and changes to the ECF system as well.
When it comes to generating policies, training, facilitating implementation of the program, all of that comes through my office.
I supervise the people who provide services in the courtroom, deputies, electronic sound recorders, court reporters, and the jury clerks. Whatever it is that you do here is part of a team effort to ensure justice.
It's 08. You do not need a legal background to work in the federal courts. Most of the work that we do is administrative or clerical, and the work that we do is in support of the judges.
But the work that we do on a daily basis ensures that each defendant has their right to day in court.
Our customers are the public, the attorneys, the trustees, creditors, debtors.
We are the first line of people that you really see and deal with when you have a case that's getting started in the federal courts.
United States District Court, this is David. How may I help you?
What I like about working here at the courts is being able to help the customers.
Being a listening ear, that speaks volumes to people.
What we do really helps people, and that's a big reason of why I stay with the courts.
Rich, how are you today?
Every day I come into work and I say, what today? It's never static, it's never the same.
It's fun, it's interesting.
You may walk in one morning, you may have to open a case that could change history.
We're setting precedents in this court. Detainee Treatment Act petitions have never been in existence until they were filed in our courts.
Government wiretap cases to high-profile securities fraud cases. We even have a couple of death penalty cases coming up.
This organization provides you with the tools that you need to succeed, not only professionally, but personally.
It's very much a team environment.
We support each other, whether it's on the job or outside.
It's a place where people can get their foot in the door at a young age, perhaps right out of college, and work their way up through the system and want to stay.
I really enjoy the fact that we are able to give something back to the people that we serve.
It's just a great place to work. I would recommend it to anyone.
If you really are interested in challenge and the opportunity to grow yourself, I say go for it.